Hey, welcome to another episode on No Gears, No Glory. Today we're going to be working on the RZR, doing a few things. Primarily, we're going to swap out these front tires with the rears. And we're going to put some of those rears on the back so we have some fresh new meats to get around. Okay? Stick with us. This could be fun. Alright, the idea is we're going to throw the new sets of brand new rear tires on. They're stock tires. Put them on the back. And then we're going to take these back tires. We're going to throw them on the front for a little bit wider. Same size tire. Just want to see how it'll be. See if there's any benefit. If nothing else, I like having the same size tire just available all the way around the machine. So if you have a flat, no matter what, when you're carrying a spare with you, it's all one size. So I've already loosened up the lugs, and now we're just going to jack it up and start swapping them. So here we go. Alright, we actually got the backs on. Looks good. Not a lot of room on this side. And then got the old rear on the front. I think it looks good. We'll see how it rides, but I like it. Not bad. Not too bad for about 30 minutes worth of work. Alright, well, I think that'll wrap this one up on No Gears, No Glory. Thanks for watching. I appreciate anybody that's spending the time with me. Liking the video, maybe even subscribing. New content hopefully coming soon. And this is kind of fun.